Hi, welcome to the Colin Robinson Lab. When we start our day, we think of safety. So we put on our lab coats, protect our eyes, and wear gloves.
From the tiny experiments to the large.
So here in the lab we have a lot of specialized equipment that we use for lots of different experiments. And here you can see some of our shaky incubators where we put different cultures of different things inside. There you can see how they're growing nice and strong. So this here is for algae, and this over here is for E. coli, which we can put on plates. See? Each of these little dots is a whole colony of E. coli. An important part of science is getting all the measurements right. Make sure to be very careful when we measure all this out.
And beside all the exciting work we do in the lab, we also spend a lot of time behind our laptop to plan our experiments and to analyze all the exciting results we get. So, besides all the skills we need in the lab, we also need some computer skills to analyze everything and to combine all the results with each other.
Also work with algae in the lab, and algae are something that is a very big group. You might know them from fish tanks, for example, all the green slurry bits. These are algae. Some of them look very different, so for example they can look like this, very green. Some of them look a little bit more blue, like these ones. And some of them are very special. At the beginning they are green like these ones, but then when they get older they turn into a different color and they make compounds that are very good for your health. So you can see they are very, very tiny, so to have a closer look at them we need to look at them under the microscope. Let's have a look at it under the microscope.
Of course, we are not the only lab in the world, so we want to share our science with other labs, and we really want to listen at other people's results. So we have to travel a lot to meet a lot of people working in science, and this fridge represents all the destinations that we have to go to.
When you do science, you need to be organized and precise.
You okay there, Dylan?
In our lab, we use light to test how well our cells are growing and how our experiments are going.
Thank you for watching our tour through the lab. We love science.
Bye!